Hi there, little learners. Welcome to Kids Learning. Are you ready for a numbers adventure? Today, we're going to discover the magic numbers from 11 all the way to 20. It's going to be so much fun. Hi, everyone. I'm Teacher Lily. Today, we're going to learn how to count items above 10. By the end of this video, you'll be counting up to 20 like a pro. We'll look at some real-life things, understand how they group together, and then see how we write those big numbers. Let's get started. First, let's look at some pencils. Here are 10 pencils in a bundle. If we add one more, we have 11. Add another, and it's 12. Keep going. 13, 14, and 15. See? It's just like counting to 5, but we started with 10 already there. Did you notice how we always start with a group of 10? That's the secret. Numbers from 11 to 20 are just one group of 10 plus some extra ones. So 11 is 10 plus 1, and 12 is 10 plus 2. Isn't that neat? It makes counting so much easier when you think in groups. Now let's count some shining stars. We have 10 stars already. Let's add more. 16, 17, 18, 19, and one more makes 20. 20 is special because it's exactly two groups of 10. Look at all those stars shining bright just for you. Now that we've counted them, let's see how they look when we write them down. Every number from 11 to 19 starts with a 1 because of that first group of 10 we found. And 20 starts with a 2 because it has two groups of 10. You are doing an amazing job learning these. Let's try a quick activity. Look at these apples. There's a full box of 10 and 4 more outside. Can you count them? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's right, there are 14 apples. You counted them perfectly. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. We did it! We explored all the numbers from 11 to 20. Remember, it's all about groups of 10. Keep practicing your counting every day with your toys and snacks. Thanks for learning with me on Kids Learning. I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye-bye!